President Jefferson had a rapidly growing country to take care of at the turn of the 19th century. By 1800, the country was 16 states strong. Vermont entered in 1791, Kentucky in 1792, and Tennessee in 1796. More and more settlers raced westward to claim land. Because of this, the territories were rapidly growing towards statehood, for example, Ohio, Alabama, and Mississippi. Those who lived near the Mississippi River relied upon it as a major form of transportation for their goods. But in order to exit the Mississippi River, the boats had to pass through New Orleans, which was part of Spanish Louisiana. In a secret transfer, Spain returned the Louisiana Territory back to France. Although it was supposed to be in secret, Jefferson knew about it. He was quite concerned because Napoleon Bonaparte, the French ruler, had dreams of building a great French empire. This could possibly lead to the closing of the Mississippi River to Americans. Jefferson sent 2 men to France to negotiate the purchase of New Orleans and the east bank of the Mississippi River for $2 million. By the time these 2 diplomats, James Monroe and Robert Livingston, reached France, Napoleon had begun to run into difficulties. There was a costly slave revolt on the French island of Santo Domingo, now today Haiti, in the Caribbean. Napoleon was also engulfed in a war against several other European nations. He knew he needed money. Napoleon gave up his idea of creating a French empire in the Americas. He decided instead to offer the entire Louisiana Territory to the United States for $15 million. When Jefferson heard about the offer, he realized he was in a bind. There was no constitutional power given to the president to purchase this land. Jefferson was also a strict constructionist, which means that he used only the powers clearly stated in the Constitution. Nonetheless, he knew that he had to move quickly on this too-good-to-be-true offer. Jefferson asked the Senate to approve the purchase. The Louisiana Territory became part of the United States in October of 1803. It cost less than 3 cents per acre, and it doubled the size of the nation.